Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to move or transfer your entire website file from one domain to different domain. And trust me, after watching this video, you will learn lots of things. First, how to install WordPress theme in a temporary domain, how to copy or clone any website to different domain, and also how to connect a main domain with temporary domain. Please watch this video till the end. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. On the left side, you can see Home and Website. Click on Website and Website list. Here, first you need to add a new website with temporary domain and install WordPress. You need to add admin email and password, then click on Next. Choose the theme instead, then click on Next. Click on Don't Install Plugin. You can choose any domain or you can use any temporary domain. For this tutorial, I am using temporary domain. Now it's installing WordPress. It might take some time. So now my dashboard is ready. So let's log into hosting your account. Now this is the temporary domain in which WordPress theme has been installed. Yes, this is the default Outlook. Now come back to main dashboard, and here I want to transfer this World Natural Democracy website to that temporary domain. This is the domain where I am transferring this entire website. So you need to click on dashboard, and here on the left side you can see website, and below that you can see copy website. Click on it. Now you are copying from this website from which one? You can see this is the domain in which a temporary website has been created. So let's come back to dashboard, click on copy and click on next. It might take 10 to 15 minutes, so wait for a while. After completion, come back to the main menu. Then click on website list. Here, first thing you need to do, you need to log into your temporary website dashboard and change some setting. So here, you need to click on setting and click on general. And you need to change the name of that site. So why you need that? Because sometimes cache is there in your browser. So that's the reason you need to make some changes in your website. And after that, you need to click on save changes. Let's see the output. Yes, the entire website has been transferred to this temporary domain. So let's cross it. Let's come back to hosting your account, and you can see the current domain is temporary. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the domain. This is the domain ROYKIT shop. I'm going to connect it with this temporary domain. So click on next, click on continue. Wait for a while. Connecting domain name. Yes, now you can see the website was successfully changed to roykit.shop, like this domain. So let's see the outlook. Yes, can you see this temporary domain has been changed to roykit.shop. Let's come back to hosting your account and delete that site which I have copied or transferred. Click on delete. And now it's done. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, so hit a like button, and if you think this video is very much helpful, so please don't forget to share this video.